The name is Rob Weiner, and I'm a management consultant for healthcare providers. I heard about the workshop through an email that somebody that was familiar with the company, very familiar with the company, sent to me thinking I might be interested in it. Well, what I thought about the workshop and what I learned was that there is a lot of tools actually to be used in copywriting these days. And for me, that was really good. It's something I can use, and it's something that I can turn my clients on to, which was really invaluable. And I really liked the way it started very simple and then went through some basics. And anytime you're learning something and going to a workshop, I hate it when somebody starts at the end and sort of goes back to the beginning and tries to get you. This, he went from the beginning and took you all the way through the copywriting process, and then got into things that can help you even in a more advanced way. And that was just simply wonderful. My biggest takeaway from the workshop is to recognize that copywriting is a specialty, that it is a particular type of communication, and it's something that can be done at different levels, and that to get good results, you want to do it at an advanced level. Do I think other people could benefit from this workshop? Absolutely. If they can't do it live, I would be very surprised if you guys don't have a library of videos of these workshops that you can make available to people. And if that's the case, I think anybody should contact you and definitely try and look at this one on their own time. And what I'd actually do is, if there's any business owner that's watching this right now, I wouldn't just do it myself. I would get some of my executives and some of my other staff and all watch it together.